This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Mummy Pig
tries to install Windows XP.
Mummy. Daddy Pig is making soup for lunch.
Daddy, can we go and watch Mummy on her computer?
No.
She has a lot of important work to do today.
Thank you, Daddy.
Mummy Pig has a lot of important work to do.
Mummy, can George and I sit on your lap and watch you work?
No.
It used to be difficult for personal...
Peppa and George love to watch Mummy work on the computer.
Mummy, can we play that computer game, Happy Mrs. Chicken?
We can play Happy Mrs. Chicken later, but now I have to work.
Mummy, can we help you work?
No, Peppa, you mustn't touch the computer. And George, you mustn't touch the computer either.
Yes, George. You mustn't do this.
Peppa, stop!
Sorry, Mummy. I was just showing George what not to do.
Oh dear, the computer is not meant to do that.
Daddy Pig! Daddy Pig!
What?
Daddy Pig, can you mend the computer?
No.
I'll finish the lunch while you mend the computer.
No.
You are, Mummy Pig, but I'm not very good with these things.
Oh, thank you, Daddy Pig.
Daddy Pig is Daddy Pig.
Maybe if I just switch it off and then switch it on again.
Daddy Pig has mended the computer.
Hooray, Daddy!
Yes, I am a bit of an expert at these things.